Why liability car insurance is what auto insurance companies want. Many auto insurance companies in Dallas are pricing liability car insurance at a lower rate than they have in years. It's very evident that insurance companies in Dallas are wanting to write more liability-only policies. Many insurance companies have taken rate decreases in this sector already this year. Liability car insurance is much less of a risk for the insurance companies compared to full coverage insurance. Auto insurance companies who have large amounts of full coverage policies have to pay out a large number of claims when a catastrophe loss occurs. This is when a hurricane, tornado, or hailstorm causes great damage in an area well above the normal cost of paying out claims. If these natural disasters are bad enough, they can cost the insurance companies millions in repairing cars with comprehensive and collision coverages. The most money an auto insurance company can pay on a liability-only auto insurance policy in Dallas is $85,000 because state limits are $30,000, $60,000, $25,000. Here's a breakdown of these coverages. The first number of $30,000 stands for the most an insurance company will pay in bodily injury to another party. The second number of $60,000 stands for the most an insurance company will pay in bodily injury to the other party for the entire accident. The third number represents the maximum amount an insurance company will pay in property damage to the third-party vehicle that is damaged. Now, one thing to acknowledge here is on option number 3. If you purchase cheap liability car insurance at minimum limits, then if the vehicle you damage is worth more than the $25,000 limit, you could be responsible for that. If the person you hit carried uninsured motorist property damage coverage, then that coverage could kick in and cover the surplus and damages. But if not, they could come back and sue you for that money. Insurance companies like these liability insurance policies because property damage claims cost them a large amount of money. On liability-only policies, they do not have to pay for damage done to vehicles that they're insuring. So, here are a few auto insurance companies in Dallas that are pricing themselves to attract more customers who want liability auto insurance: Falcon, Jubilee, Apollo, and Save Money Car Insurance. Cheap liability car insurance is what every consumer wants, but it's important to make sure you're covered properly and by a good insurance company. Purchasing cheap insurance that doesn't pay claims well can make your claims experience a nightmare. So, the more research you can do, the better when choosing what auto insurance company you're going with for your liability auto insurance.